Crestliner is born from a passion for the water, fueled by a hopeful cast, the spinning of the reel, a tug of the line, and successful landings. Drawing from more than 7 decades of experience in building one of the toughest, all-welded aluminum boats in the industry, our employees are true craftsmen. Designing, engineering, shaping, welding, testing, finishing, and constantly looking for ways to improve and refine. At Crestliner, our relentless commitment to excellence is only surpassed by our obsession for a day on the water. A company of engineers, craftsmen, anglers, and boating enthusiasts who together continually strive to make Crestliner nothing less than the toughest, longest-lasting, and best-performing boat brand. The heart of every Crestliner boat starts with premium materials. Unlike some brands, we use thick aluminum panels and a meticulous welding process to define and create our legendary 4X hull. These 4 sheets of premium-grade aluminum are interlocked together to create a solid one-piece hull. The result is a smooth, flawless design that slices through water and big waves with minimal drag. To ensure the welded seams and panels are fit to the precise standards of our industry-exclusive hull design, Crestliner utilizes model-specific jigs and a unique interlocking tongue-and-groove construction process. Our welders employ the most advanced continuous seam welding process to fuse together the panels of the 4X hull with precision, creating a one-piece bonded hull and delivering unmatched strength and durability. No other area of the boat is subject to more punishment or is more important to overall performance than the keel. It's for this reason we developed a full-length extruded aluminum keel for our hulls. This thick tongue-and-groove keel extrusion joins the 2 hull sides together from bow to stern, providing maximum strength and durability, as well as added boat control at any speed. Crestliner's solid hull construction, complete with integrated reverse chine and spray rail that forces water down and away from the boat, has now taken shape through our legendary build and welding process. While other makers attempt to imitate this custom design with tacked-on extras, they simply don't measure up to our fully integrated one-piece hull. Crestliner doesn't adhere to a one-size-fits-all approach. Each model touts a unique hull featuring a variable degree dead rise, engineered to deliver a ride that is drier and attains a level of performance that is more stable and planes instantly in a wide range of conditions. More than just good looks and stunning performance, the shape of Crestliner sidewalls are purpose-built. By employing a series of subtle bends across the entire length of the hull, the sidewalls become stronger and more rigid. Known as work hardening, the process adds tremendous strength and allows Crestliner boats to battle big water with unmatched confidence. The transom of a boat is subjected to incredible forces. Along with serving as the tie that binds the 4X hull together at the stern, the transom must also harness the torque of today's powerful engines and direct this energy as forward thrust evenly across the hull. For this reason, our transom features a double-welded design, a fully welded high-strength seam both inside and out. To ensure the transom is not only tough but built to last a lifetime, Crestliner employs a wood-free composite transom on most boats. No question, Crestliner boats are built upon the toughest and best engineered hulls in the industry, but enduring quality is more than a solid design. After the boat leaves aluminum fabrication, each is quality tested for leaks, and flotation foam is installed for assured safety to meet Coast Guard and NMMA requirements. Next, the surface is cleaned and prepared through a zirconium-based wash to ensure maximum paint adhesion through our electrostatic process. The hull is then baked in paint ovens at 230 degrees and emerges with a brilliant, uniform, long-lasting finish. The boat is now turned over to another team of experts who will spend hours installing the finishing components, from consoles, live wells, and seat bases, to rigging and controls, even the motor. It's here where our attention to detail, passion for the water, and Crestliner's 70-plus years of experience makes for a clear advantage. Through insightful design and continuous feedback from customers, our boats tout an intuitive layout, maximizing space and putting features and controls in the right place. More than pride, we want to make sure every boat that leaves our factory is in excellent condition, down to the last detail. When you take delivery of your new Crestliner boat, you're not just getting the best built, all-welded aluminum boat in the industry, You're getting the cumulative result of over 70 years of boating passion. The Crestliner advantage is spoken through the performance of our boats, the success of our professional anglers, and consistent recognition and praise from our peers and owners. In fact, Crestliner boats have continuously and consecutively been honored with the Consumer Satisfaction Index Award from the National Marine Manufacturers Association, backed by our unprecedented and fully transferable limited lifetime structural warranty and 3-year bow-to-stern warranty. Our commitment to enduring quality never rests. Experience the Crestliner advantage for yourself. Crestliner, forged with strength, defined by durability.